Nobody believed this abandoned giant could ever fly again. But today, an army of tiny engineers begins the impossible. Before time took its toll, this aircraft carried millions and defined aviation engineering. Years of decay left rust, silent engines, and damage. But the aircraft still holds promise. Every crack is measured, every rivet is mapped. Millions of data points become a complete digital twin. Restoration has begun.
Before repairs begin, tiny workers turn the abandoned aircraft into an organized engineering site.
Every panel is removed and cleaned before damaged parts can be restored. The true restoration begins. Every structural repair demands millimeter precision. With the fuselage stabilized, the engines are ready for removal and restoration. After weeks of preparation, every connection has been verified. For the first time in years, the first engine begins to move. Every turbine, bearing, and fuel line must pass inspection before the engine returns. Across the airframe, months of careful restoration are finally visible. The aircraft is prepared for its next major milestone. The first restored engine is ready. At sunrise, the project's most critical lift begins. Everything led here. One final engineering phase remains before the aircraft moves again.
Securing for at least work.
Millimeter by millimeter, the final wing alignment begins. Tiny adjustments now determine the future strength of the entire aircraft. With the wings secured, the aircraft finally receives the power that will bring it back to life. The structure is complete. Now every electrical system, sensor, and cockpit control must function together as one.
The aircraft stands complete. Every hydraulic, fuel, and electrical system must work as one.
Before the aircraft moves again, every landing gear must prove its strength. Thousands of components respond together. For the first time, the aircraft begins thinking like a Boeing 747 again. The final challenge begins.
Diagnostics show stable operation. All systems normal.
Months of engineering end as every detail is restored. For the first time since the restoration began, every system works together. The final proof is movement. The restoration is complete. What once stood silent now represents thousands of hours of engineering, patience, and craftsmanship. Tiny engineers proved that precision and teamwork can restore even the greatest machines.